Are you struggling with winter weight gain? Snowflake, the good news is that one humble yet powerful superfood, black gram, urad dal, can help you shed those extra kilos while keeping you warm and energized. Let's dive into its incredible benefits. Introduction. Winter often brings cravings for comfort foods, festive indulgences, and reduced physical activity, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. But what if there was a simple way to stay fit without giving up delicious meals? Seedling, in this video, we'll uncover how black gram can become your secret weapon for weight loss while offering numerous health benefits. The winter weight struggle. As the temperature drops, our metabolism slows down, and we tend to consume more calorie-dense foods. This combination often leads to unwanted weight gain. However, black gram, packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, can counter this problem effectively. Let's explore how. The nutritional power of black gram. Small blue diamond, rich in fiber, keeps you full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Small blue diamond, high in protein, aids muscle building and boosts metabolism. Small blue diamond, low glycemic index, helps control blood sugar levels, preventing sudden hunger spikes. Small blue diamond, iron and magnesium, supports energy levels, ensuring you stay active. Key moment: how black gram supports weight loss. The magic lies in black gram's ability to enhance digestion and promote fat metabolism. When included in your diet, it white heavy check mark improves digestion and prevents bloating. White heavy check mark keeps you satiated, reducing calorie intake. White heavy check mark provides sustained energy, keeping winter laziness at bay. How to include black gram in your diet. Here are some easy and delicious ways to enjoy black gram this winter. Black gram soup, a warm and comforting winter delight. Sprouted black gram salad, a protein-packed, weight loss-friendly meal. Curry and rice black gram curry, dal makhani light version. Enjoy a healthier version of this classic dish. Black gram stuffed parathi, a nutritious breakfast option. Conclusion: your winter weight loss ally. Black gram isn't just a delicious legume, it's a natural fat burner that helps you achieve sustainable weight loss without compromising on taste. By making it a part of your winter diet, you can stay fit, full, and energetic throughout the season. Call to action, CTA. Found this information helpful? Comment below with your favorite black gram recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy winter diet tips. Snowflake.